This video is going to talk about how to factor terms. There's already a video up on this channel about factor trees and how to just factor out plain old numbers. This is going to be a little bit more in depth. This is going to talk about factoring terms, which would be something like 12e instead of just 12. What we need to do here is we need to find all of the numbers that are being, all of the prime numbers that are being multiplied together to get 12e. The first thing that we know is that 12e is the same thing as saying 12 times e. And because I don't know how to break e down anymore, that's going to be counted as a prime number. I can't do anything else to it. Now I get to break down the 12 some more, which is going to be 4 times 3. 3 is prime. 4 can be broken down into 2 times 2. So all of the factors for 12e are 2 to the second power times 3 times e. I'm going to take a look at one more that gets a little bit more complex. We're going to look at 18 g to the second power h. And what we know is we know that to get this, you're multiplying 18 times g to the second power h. You can absolutely do 18 g to the second times h, and that's okay. It's my preference to get the numbers split off as soon as possible and to have the variables off on their own as well. So I can break down 18 into 2 times 9 and then break down 9 into 3 times 3. And now all I have to do is break down g to the second times h. I know that g to the second times h, to get that, I'm actually multiplying g to the second and h. I don't know how to break h down anymore. I don't know what it is. I don't know how to work with it. So I'm done. But g to the second, I know that exponents mean you see that number, or in this case that variable, so many times. So I can break down g to the second into g times g. So my prime factors for 18g to the second h are 2 times 3 to the second times g to the second times h.